Okay, YouTube, I just wanted to show you the 20x4 LCD display, and my SD card is now working. If I plug that in, card inserted, and you can go over here and see, there's the SD card, and you get your SD card contents, so that's working. So I showed you how to set that up in the previous video, and then let's take a look at the printer. I just finished printing one of my battery holders, and I think this one worked out much better. So I tried printing one yesterday, and I don't know if you can see that, but the bottom lifted up, part kind of warped on me a little bit. I don't print PLA all that much. I mainly use ABS, and I run the bed at 90 degrees C. The last time I printed PLA was this summer, and it was hot up here in the attic, probably over 100 Fahrenheit, which is about 40 degrees C, and I was printing many of these with no bed heat, and I was having no problem. And then I did the same thing yesterday, and you can see how warped that is. You can definitely see there's some distortion in the part, and I printed that yesterday with no bed heat, and I had the warping problem. So what I decided to do was run the bed at about 40 degrees C, and I got perfect adhesion, no warping at all. And I think it's just cold enough up here in the attic. It's about 50 Fahrenheit, so I think having a slightly warmer bed is maybe the trick. So this was done with the 6x6 bilinear bed leveling, and then the 3x3 subdivision, which results in a 15x15 mesh. And you can see the parts stuck down the whole bed. Let's see if we can lift it off of here. Yeah, there we go. Printed out really nice there. I don't know if you can catch the side. The other thing I've done to improve the exterior print quality is I dropped the temperature from 220 down to 210. So that seemed to really help here. And then I've also dropped the extrusion multiplier a little bit, and I get a lot nicer, smoother outside finish. I tried a 200, but I had problems with the material not sticking. These first layers were just not adhering. Looks like 210 and 40 degrees C on the bed is the sweet spot for PLA. You can see here's the FlexPlate. So I'm just going to give it a bend like that. Yeah, there we go. You can just hear it pop loose right there, and there's my part. Just came right up, just a perfectly flat bottom. Really nice. And so that part's ready to go, and then the outline here pretty much comes up in one piece. And then what I do is the last part I printed this way, so I just rotate my bed 90 degrees. Get my magic eraser here. Just erase all until you can't see the old lines. So it's just a green Scotch-Brite pad I hit them with, and a little bit of 70% isopropyl. Wipe it down, and I'm ready to go for tomorrow. This BuildTak is getting a little bit beat up. I think I'm getting towards the end of it. I've got a couple of tears in it, like I think right there I've got one, and there's a couple of places where it's starting to go, but I figure I'm gonna try to get as many prints out of it as I can. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that update. I'll put some of the other videos over here on the left side, and if you have any comments, post up in the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe over there to be notified of updates. And as always, thanks for watching.